Vocabulary Quiz 6.6. Read each question and circle the correct answer. Be sure to pause the video after each question so you can circle your response. 1. My friend Tyreek and I came up with an awesome blank for a new TV show. Miniature, concept, negative, banquet. 2. The artist makes blank paintings using a microscope and a tiny paintbrush. Petrified, abolished, miniature, perished. 3. My fern is going to blank if I don't water it. Concept, immense, perish, wilderness. 4. I stared in wonder at the blank roller coaster. The first drop looked huge. Immense, negative, solitary, petrified. 5. Our school hosts an annual sports blank where they serve a delicious dinner to everyone who played on the sports team that year. Concept, wilderness, banquet, miniature. 6. Which of the following sentences is an example of the word petrify? Blake froze in fear when he heard the bear growling outside his tent. The townspeople voted to get rid of all the guns in their town. Janice will die if we don't get her the doctor right now. I've been pretty lonely since all of my friends moved away. 7. If Jake wanted to abolish soda, it probably means that he was really thirsty, wanted to create a new flavor, didn't like soda, was selling soda. 8. What is a negative way to get attention? Telling your mom she looks pretty, punching someone in the arm, winning the lottery, performing in a school play. 9. Who would most likely live the most solitary life? A prisoner, a police officer, a factory worker, a movie star. 10. Which of these items would be the most useful to have in the wilderness? A lot of money, a map, a key, a television set.